This is before, and this is after. Under full load, I dropped my temps by 10 degrees while the fans were running 1,000 RPM slower with this one simple trick that only took about 10 minutes to do. Okay, it's not really a trick, and I can't do the YouTuber thing where you bury the lead. If you've had a MacBook for more than a year, they've been accumulating dust in the fans, and cleaning them out is easy and can dramatically improve thermals and fan noise. All you need is a P5 pentalobe screwdriver and some compressed air. I also like having an old toothbrush if stuff is really crusted on there. It's helpful. This isn't going to be a cleaning guide. There are tons of good ones out there. This is more a PSA that if you've had your MacBook Pro for a while, cleaning it out can really help your thermals, especially in more demanding workloads. Like, check this out. Before I cleaned my fans out, running a 10-minute Cinebench multi-core load, the temps settled in at around 90 degrees while the fans were at 5,000 RPM. I'm running a custom fan curve. Feel free to screenshot it if you want your fan to run cooler. I'll put the software that I use to control the fan curve down below. But after cleaning out the fans in the same Cinebench workload, the temps were around 80 degrees while the fans were around 4,000, and it got a 3% higher score. So slightly more performance, 10 degrees cooler, all while the fans were running 1,000 RPM slower, which makes a huge difference to fan noise. But that's just a CPU load. Under a combined 100% CPU and GPU load, the results were even more impressive. Before cleaning, it was hitting 103 degrees while the fans were maxed out, which is around 5,700 RPM. After cleaning, the temps were in the low 90s, all while the fans were running 1,000 RPM slower. That's about 13 degrees cooler, while the fans were running about 1,200 RPM slower. That's the difference between the fans being fully maxed out and still slightly thermal throttling versus no thermal throttling and noticeably quieter fans, which is a lot bigger of a difference than I was originally expecting. I also noticed that even at the same RPM, the dusty fans were louder because they have more air resistance, and air resistance is noise. Another thing I wasn't expecting is how much quieter it is just in my daily tasks. The fans went from being on and slightly audible a lot of the time to completely silent unless I'm pushing it hard, which makes a big difference to the overall enjoyment of using the laptop. All is to say, if you've owned your MacBook for a couple years, you should clean your fans out. All right, peace.